Dear America and all nations worldwide and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I will continue with the ongoing, very long, very long civil justice sign off process. Okay, so when married, become once married people, they become strangers, and that is how the divorce process starts. It's a life cycle in the divorce life cycle. Once married, they become strangers, and that's how they end up getting divorced. And there are different versions and variations of unhealthy toxins, unhealthy influence types, or the root causes. And it is global wide, it's the same. Okay, emotional torture and like volcano process. As I told you earlier, it's like a volcano process. One fine day, enough is enough, then results in the divorce. And it is emotional death process. That is why severity of the pain and agony inflicted on the brain nerves is highest, because there is emotional wastage, right? Then feelings wastage. Then when the biological moms and children are separated, that is another hell people have to undergo through. So all these hell variations was created by Pope Francis only for tax mandate law. He only mandated biological moms and children should be separated in the divorce process as a Nazism, Holocaust Nazism process for tax mandate. Everything is a scandal. Even that also scandal. But on the outward world, for the population, when they are looking in their eyes, it looks as if legalized, organized. Can you see how the crime itself was made to be organized? Right? That's how why the criminal law was created. They want to make a crime look good, and all nations got fooled by that, but not anymore. Okay, so then what are the other as of January public awarenesses, as of January 2021, nation must never have any divorce, right? However, what is the saddest reality? Each household worldwide have at least one divorced civilian in their family per household. That means 1 is to 1 ratio. One house, at least one family. And how many households are there? How many population are there? 7.9 billions of people. Imagine the destruction created on the brain nerve cells. Does Pope Francis Satan he have even any common sense to do all these kind of destructions? No. Why? Because he's a foolish patient. He is a Lucifer, he is a Satan, he is a devil, he is a hell creator. He only wanted all this kind of stuff to be created on the human kingdom. That way he can get the tax dollars. Just to get the tax dollars, he created all this kind of a disaster. Can you see the deadliest crime level, scandal process? In divorce process life cycle, always biological moms only should get sole custody, child custody of children, because always forever women are double innocent. Right? I proved that. Then they are the excellent caregivers known worldwide by default. And also, what more of the education does a nation need? In animal kingdom also, biological moms only never separated from children. And then that is the nature also is teaching the other species called human being also to get educated from them. Right? So then, and so that is why people should know that women in the biological moms in the divorce cycle, divorce like cycle process, they should be only getting the sole custody and placement of the children forever, according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So President Joe Biden says he knows. I hope he knows what is Holy Bible, right? But then why he never knew the truth that biological moms and children must never be separated? Why he never knew that? So can you see why he has to resign immediately right now? Because I'm providing crime after crime after crime, and all classified as domestic violence only, and President Joe Biden is classified domestic violence now. He is disqualified to be president immediately. He cannot be president now. So that means USA is without leaders now. President Trump is at fault, he cannot be leader. And President Joe Biden is also at fault. So when I'm having them in the justice weighing scale, both of them are same level only. But however, the President Joe Biden's provided crime or the error is highest because lawyer. He never even knows a simple truth that biological moms must never be separated from children. I don't know. See, do you want me to stamp him as a cunning? I don't know. Or do you want me to stamp him as a self-centered, selfish, cruel? I would say domestic violence. That classifies it. You all can provide your own way of classification accordingly. Domestic violence is an umbrella level. He abused the justice services, and that's why he is domestic violent. Right? Right now, as of now, President Joe Biden is a justice endangered domestic violent patient. And he cannot be a president anymore. It's as simple as that. Because he never knows biological moms must never be separated from children, and biological moms only always having highest impasse, and always having highest impasse to even file ex parte as and when needed. But everything logic and every operation, every healthy process has been broken in the softer level. How on the earth President Joe is going to fix those stuff? It's impossible. Department of Child and Welfare is going to say, no, we cannot fix it. Because it's going to crash. Their system is going to crash. Just like that, it's going to crash. And tax services, right? Treasury services. Then Department of Justice Services. Department of Health Services. Everybody is going to complain to President Joe Biden, sorry, President, we cannot fix it, it's going to crash. What is he going to do? He is going to have his head break. He is going to have his, he's going to break his head. He's going to ask everybody to do the task, and everybody is going to say no, because everything is going to crash. Google will say, no, we cannot do it right now, immediately, because it's going to crash. Apple, if he's going to ask Apple is going to say it's going to crash, sorry. JP Morgan Chase is going to say, sorry, it's going to crash, we cannot do that right now. Because the labor to be provided is, lots of labor have to be provided on that. It's not easy to rewrite, do a software code patch on a very important, crucial operations. It's impossible, right? It's impossible. And for how long this scandal have been going on by separating biological moms from the children in the divorce process, in the entire divorce family life cycle. Since day one the USA was created, the scandal was provided. Not even one educated man stood up and provided a solution. Not even one educated woman stood up and provided the solution. Why? I have the reason for why also. I know by now you might be all be wondering, am I really rude or am I really arrogant like that, right? Because I'm telling, I know the answer for this, I know the answer for this, I can fix this, I can fix that, and I know the root cause for that, right? It looks like too much of a bossy or too much of a show-off mode, right? But whatever I'm telling is on an education level, on an ethical standards level only. Yes, I know the reason why not even one educated man, why not even one educated women were able to stand up and fixed all the broken operations, national government operations. Rather, they only misguided the national operations. So one side, medical services, they are misguiding national operations. One side, the broken justice services, they are misguiding the national operations because they do not want to tell the truth of why they're about the scandal that's going on. Why? Because they will get laid off, and it's all boiling up to traces to job survival mode. They all want to have job, no matter what. Why? Because they do not want to be in the financial poverty level mode. Because they all know once when they are not able to pay the monthly bills, boom, right? So then why, when they are able to know that, why they never even gave a thought that how the poverty population will even survive to live without any dollars? That is wrong. That is inhumane. That is insane, right? So that means Department of Child and Welfare Families saying that they are providing welfare services only to the poverty level. They never provided that. Proof is what? As of today, there is homeless in USA, where the DCF will even provide a status report on why there is homeless. They are going to have their face down. They already know they are going to go to the jail because of all the crime they have been providing. Entire software services lines of code is wrong. Hewlett Packard must be in a shock mode or fear mode. Out of how many years of services it's going to get shut down mode. That like that. I will only seal and shut down Hewlett Packard for provided a deadliest Medicare scandal. Oh, there is no other crime to provide that kind of a scandal, right? So why nobody knows in the United States? Are there any women after all? Tell me. Yes, Vice President is a Kamala Harris is a woman, right? And Minnesota Senate, who was a presidential candidate, was also a woman. And Warren is also a woman, right? There are women actually, but then why there are not women at all? Why I am saying that? How many population? 300 million population in the US as of today. So how many women population out of the 300 millions? Why not even one woman knows biological moms must never, ever, ever, forever be separated from children? Why? What went wrong? What was the root cause of that provided that abuse? Why? It's a national level abuse. And President Joe Biden, how on the earth is going to start the operation when there is a national level, highest level of crime and abuse is there without fixing? He cannot fool population anymore. He is handcuffed mode. He should get out of the White House immediately. When he don't know that biological moms must never ever be separated from children in the divorce life cycle, he should get out of the White House immediately. Why on the earth he even have to be president of USA when he never knows what the basic operation of how the family services, law services should be provided? So, in a divorce life cycle, what is the public awareness one more time? In the divorce life cycle, biological moms only should get sole custody of children, because always forever women and double innocent and excellent are the excellent caregivers known to worldwide. Now come to the different layers of the relationship and the marriage level. I provided that earlier in the earlier section, right? That means what? Wise men marrying wise women. So you use that chart, okay? Whenever I am providing that education, you take that chart and use it. Then you will relate and you will be able to trace out why this scandal is all happening and why nobody, not even one human, not even one man or woman able to educate the government that biological moms must never be separated from children. So in that chart, what I provided, wise man marrying a wise woman or wise woman marrying a wise man is a heaven. And wise man marrying a foolish woman or foolish man marrying a foolish a wise woman is a hell. Then foolish man and foolish women marrying is also hell. Then on the micro level, regardless of a toxic relationship or a marriage or abusive marriage or classified as a healthy code marriage according to the society defined certification, when the population married wrong humans by default, the entire marriage constitution is invalid, voided, annulled, disqualified, dissolved. It has to be dissolved, right? That is the healthiest way. So, but then people are living only in illusion worldwide day to day. I also provided it. So that will provide when you're going to go into the chart and look up into the different levels, then you will know why biological moms must never be should be biological moms should only be getting the sole custody of children because they have the highest impasse, right? So I don't know whether President Joe Biden knows the usage of impasse, but impasse is the healthiest process. When nobody knows what is impasse, then I am educating the impasse in the rightful way. Don't you all think then the easiest civil justice process can be signed off by me only, by alone? Yes, President Joe Biden must resign now. That is a civil justice sign off. So then why Harvard Law School and Harvard Medical School never ever aware that biological moms must never be separated from children? Did education fail humanity or did humanity fail the education? Nations must provide all national benefits, free housing, free vehicle, free utility, free grocery, free of everything. Only to whom? Divorced population alone. Because it is the highest level of emotional torture that's been enforced by Pope Francis. When Pope Francis created the divorce cell, who should pay for all the damages? For divorce law fees and everything. Only the nation have to take care of it. So, but then they are not doing that part. So that means President Joe Biden should never be president. He should get out of the White House immediately. He never fixed that. He should have stood up. It's not my job to do that, right? He should have done that already. He never did that. So that's why he cannot be president. And Pope is a Satan and Queen is a Satan is proved. So elections 2020 is a scandal is proved. And along with President Joe Biden, he provided that he cannot be a leader being a domestic violence because he provided a breach of duty. Being a lawyer, he never fixed the broken justice. Then what more of the public awareness you all need to know? Divorced single moms populations are the holiest population in entire human kingdom is the wisdom. Then what more of the public awareness? Civilians should never pay for divorce process. They should never pay for divorce law fees at all. And it is $1 trillion crime of a scandal of a Vatican again created for the tax process only. Can President Joe Biden even pay $500,000 trillion for enforcing civilians to pay for divorce fees law scandal of Vatican? Then what more of a public awareness you all need to know? 99% of divorced population died during the divorce process alone, worldwide, globally, because of the emotional torture created, enforced. Right? When innocent civilians are enforced, bombarded with injustice after injustice, for how long the average humans can even tolerate that? For the average human brain can tolerate that pain and agony. So they die. Most of the 99% of the divorced population, they die during the divorce population itself, divorce process itself. That means because of that scandal, the Pope Francis, he will not even allow to live the divorced population to live free even after divorced. Can you see the damage? He will not live and he will not allow other people to live. That is the process model he mandated for the divorce process. On one side he stamped that the divorced population as sin, just left to be mocked by the entire foolish people worldwide when divorced people are innocent. Always. And wisest after all. And making nations richest just by filing divorce after all. Why? When people are married the wrong humans and when they are filing for divorce, they are choosing a wisest choice. Right? When people are living with the wrong humans, regardless of whatever the scandal they are undergoing through, then that shows that there is a fake love in that relationship. Right? Or they might be one of the people in that marital covenant might be wisest enough to adjust, tolerant, and to live with it. To live with the toxic people, to live with the foolish people is a hell. So what more of the public awareness you all need to know? Regardless of life event changes, death, marriage, health issues, etc., as in common life event changes, nations must only always pay tax-free at least $8,000 trillion to each divorced population worldwide daily. For Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Satan created lifetime scars to fellow mankind by destroying brain nerve cells for fellow mankind worldwide. What is public awareness? Marrying wrong humans is hell. So, regardless of abusive marriage or not, marrying wrong humans invalidates and voids and disqualifies entire marriage covenant constitution processes of wisdom. Right? So that is why nation have to provide all the medical compensation to total population worldwide. Because of whatever hell created by Vatican is the deadliest crime. Even down to the human relation level, human showing emotions level, he destroyed. That is wrong. And all without awareness, only humans got married to the wrong humans. That is also wrong. That is the scandal severity highest of the Pope. And what answer President Joe Biden is going to give for that? He is accountable and he is responsible right now to pay the medical compensation for 7.9 plus billions of humans. And I only can even provide the healthy medical compensation payment processing also. Because the entire government operations is crashed. So regardless of humans married 1 second or 1,000 years to wrong humans, regardless of abusive toxic relationship or not, with or without children, entire marriage covenant is invalid, voided, disqualified is the wisdom. And that is why disqualified marriage must be annulled. Always is the wisdom. Okay, there is never divorce in true Christianity alone. There is never divorce means people have to marry only in the healthy standards ways. Then there has been no divorce. And that is why there is never divorce and word in or in the process in any nation. So that is why even in the education curriculum, there should never be a word called divorce. This is a wisdom as of today. That itself is a crime. So Oxford University is handcuffed more. I will say Oxford University, go live your life in the jail for misguided and destroyed human brain nurses with wrongful dictionary words. Just get out. Be in the jail. Right? Please understand the severity of the scandal that's been provided by absolute monarchs worldwide. So as of today, and it is a trillion, so divorce process enforced by Pope Francis Satan is only for tax mandate. That is a public. So that means alimony, spousal support processes for tax mandate scandal of Pope Francis Satan. Child support process is also for tax mandate scandal of Pope Francis Satan. Okay, child custody and placement is also tax mandate, and it's also scandal for Pope Francis to mandate biological moms to be separated from children. His $1 trillion brain emotional trauma enforced it as a classified Holocaust Nazism. And he only did that. Pope Francis, what is going to tell? Will he say he never knows marriage at all? Or will Pope Francis will say never heard of word moms? What on the earth Pope Francis Satan is going to say? I will say go and jump in the volcano and get out, get lost. Right? And the property division in divorce process is also for tax mandate. Who gave authority for the USA government to even decide on what should be who should have the child custody, who should have the property division? Who are they? Who are the justice people? Did they got into the marriage constitution? Did they underwent all the torture in the toxic relationship? No, never, right? So why on the earth they even have to bother about, oh no, we have to do that? No. It should never be a mandatory process at all. So why President Joe Biden even know that? He should never be a president, my dear fellow mankind. please have President Joe Biden to just get out of the White House immediately. Okay, because the crime is deadliest. All these things should be on an optional basis only in the divorce process model. Only assigning the sole custody and child must be the mandate, and that must be default always only given to only biological moms, period. Simplest as that. And it's all according to the guidelines of the Holy Bible I'm talking about. I'm proving United States of America is never a Christian nation. I'm proving United States of America nation is an absolute communist, paganist, deadliest Islam, Judaism nation created by Pope Francis to destroy the true Christianity after all. This does not even come under the classification guidelines of Holy Bible. No. Default biological moms and children must never be separated. They must be awarded the sole custody and child custody always forever. And only nation only have to take care of the divorced single moms. Never ever it should be a mandated one for the alimony or child support or child whatever the dollars monthly. No, never. It should be mandated on the persons involved in the divorce process. It should be the nation to provide those stuff. All these things, all that things should be optional after all. The justice should say, give that option to those two people who wanted to get divorced, they give that option to them. If they want to get the spousal alimony, if they want to get the child support things, leave the choices to them. Do not enforce it. That is unhealthy. Right? When a nation is enforcing people to do wrongful choices, then that is a crime. So President Joe Biden, he is never fit to be a president at all. He should just get out of the White House immediately. Not even for 1 second. Right now he should be only in Delaware after all. Right? So property division in the divorce process is also for tax mandate. All in hell versions, variations accumulated enough for any civilians regardless of genders to die from divorce during hell absolute process. Okay, and why? Because the entire justice handbook, right, the guidelines, for the Senate to sign off law, or the lawmakers, or the civil justice, or the criminal justice, they all go with the handbook. And what is the handbook that Pope Francis gave? He gave the satanic evil forces, Islam, Judaism, communism mandated hell, Holocaust, Nazism handbook. And what does that handbook say? Enforce separation for biological moms from children. Whenever civilians in toxic relationship, they are filing for divorce, they do not want to be in the toxic relationship, right? Just to be free from the emotional torture, they want to get out for a healthy purpose. But then they do not want that civilians to live free in a happy mode. So they enforce that. If they are going to come and lift their Holy Bible and highest and ask for civil justice, just enforce injustice on them. Just separate the children from biological moms. So these kind of toxins was injected only by France leader, the co-prince of Andorra and Spain, and then Italy, Sicily Archbishop and co-prince of Andorra and Spain, and then the Queen of England and Islam leaders and fake Israel leader, as in all the Dalai Lama, Guru Nanak and all the stuff, all those satanic forces. And then comes the Roman province Jesuits organizations, which are classified in region by region in United States of America in all 50 states, right? And then Pope Francis. These are the people who created that kind of a hell. They gave the handbook, and like medical services slaves to Pope Francis, the justice services are also slaves to the Pope Francis. They had to go by the handbook given only by the Pope Francis. If they are going to go according to the Holy Bible, they will be killed. Got it? Well, it's all in a survival mode. And that is how even the national leaders have been enforced, were not able to provide any healthy solutions, be it President Trump, be it President Obama, be it President Joe Biden. Nobody were able to provide healthy, healthy process, because they're all slaves, enslaved as slaves only to absolute monarchs. So, because of this kind of a deadliest crime created, right? Then, so I want to provide more awareness, okay? So that is, um, uh, Sicily Roman Catholics Archbishop and co-prince of is a hell mandate, tax mandate creator. Okay. Then France leader and co-prince of Spain and Andorra is a hell mandate, tax mandate creator. So then you all know that proce is a French word, right? And impasse is also a French word. And then divorce is also a French word. And informa paperi is also a French word. So, like these, there are so many French words, right? So, do you all know the scandal behind? If you go and look into any of the law books, it is all written only in the French and also in English. That's it. So, that traces where? It traces all the scandal to the Statue of Liberty. And what did France leader fooled USA? There will be a justice lady like that. But then, Statue of Liberty also provided only the scam of divorce scandal, right? If just Statue of Liberty is a justice lady, as France told to USA, then why would there be even that separating biological moms from the children in a divorce scandal hell process? Got it? So, for all the scandals provided, so these, so you all should know. So, proce is a French word, right? When civilians are poverty, that means, what is the meaning of that means? When civilians are poverty mode or pauper mode, who cannot afford costliest divorce process, and they are called as informa pauperies, meaning pauper, beggar. Beggar is an easy word to relate, right? Beggar mode. So they cannot afford the costliest law fees. $300, let's say approximately, if it is $300 or $500 per hour for the law fees, which will increase like every single minute after that 1 hour. Imagine the salary they are earning, right? So they cannot afford the process for divorce law process fees. So then the civilians can represent themselves as civil lawyers in the jurisdiction process, civil justice process. However, there is a scandal enforced for tax mandate scam after all. Okay? The France leader only says that, okay, France leader and Archbishop only says, okay, in the justice process, when the people are beggars mode, give the option for themselves to them to represent themselves as a civil lawyer, as a proce in the jurisdiction process. They provided that rule, right? Then what was the scandal and the error? They never educated the Department of Workforce Division to provide a job code for proce and also to assign a salary for proce. Do you know the deadliest crime? Oh my word, I don't know what to say. President Joe Biden, if he has any conscience, he will never even be president forever. He will just go to his hometown, and he will enjoy his retirement life. What was he doing all these years? What was he doing? Being a liar. He must have seen this proce word, right? At least on an humanitarian basis, at least classified as a okay family law reform process, okay DWD, just provide workforce processing and provide that pro se job code for that, and provide a fixed salary of tax free $100,000 trillion. Whoever civilians who want to represent themselves as pro se, let them get that salary. Don't you all think how healthy process economical status would have been improved for those civilians who represent themselves as a civil lawyers, as a pro se? So there was a roadblock. He said it is enforced. So Pope Francis said what? Do not pay any salary to the pro se. On the other end, they are saying that there can be process to make the justice look so good, so perfect. But on the other side, there's a layer of scandal. Even when a civilian is going to represent as a pro se, he or she will never get a salary because DWD, Department of Workforce, does not have any job code allocated. And Department of Labor Force and Tax and Revenue, they do not have any salary assigned exclusive for pro se. And DOJs, they are helpless mode. Got it on how the organization has been broken in pieces? And Sicily Archbishop and co-prince. So that is why the civil justices, for that scandal alone, France leader must pay tax-free $20,000 trillion to each divorced population worldwide daily forever. Okay, and United States of America should pay at least tax-free $100,000 trillion if at all any civilians represented themselves as civil lawyer as pro se. For example, I am a pro se. I am representing myself as a supreme civil lawyer. So USA should direct deposit $100,000 trillion immediately to me. I am a pro se. And I'm slapping on the face of President Joe Biden for the scandal he provided. He never provided pro se civilians should be provided a salary because he's richest person, right? He gets to, he never knows the word poverty. He is doing all sweet talks to fool the people. That is wrong. And for this scandal alone, Sicily Archbishop and co-prince of Andorra and Spain must pay another $20,000 trillion to each divorced population worldwide, regardless of having children or not. And Pope Francis VIII created Department of Workforce Agency of USA to not have any job code and fixed salary of at least tax-free $100,000 salary for pro se civil lawyers, and it is another $150,000 trillion crime, and it is a USA government for software errors crime of DWD agencies, never had a job code for pro se and never provided any salary code for pro se civil lawyers. What on the earth President Joe Biden is going to answer for this kind of $1 trillion errors? For how long he had been in the government? Oh my word, he is absolutely disqualified to be a president of USA as of now. Then USA government should pay tax-free $200,000 trillion to each pro se population worldwide, lifetime, monthly tax-free salary of $100,000 forever. That means I am a pro se right now. Nobody in the earth can ask me why I am signing off civil justice right now. Right? Because I am a pro se. I am representing myself as a civil lawyer. So that means Department of Child and Families, Department of Treasury, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice must pay me, each of them must be paying me tax-free $100,000 per month salary of pro se every single day for the errors they provided. So that means, can you see that why Apple, Microsoft and everything got crashed, Hewlett Packard, everything got crashed? Because everywhere in their software lines, they do not have pro se salary assigned. Because Pope Francis created that roadblock. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is Pope Francis, the Satan, the hell creators, the Antichrist, the Lucifer only created deadliest crime, divorced hell crucifixion to innocent fellow mankind, and for all tax process, mandate process only. They are selling pro se, right? Do you know what I'm for past 2 weeks of providing civil services? It is called as a pro se civil law processing model, and I should get salary for that. But why they cannot provide salary? Because all the system is broken. DW do not have job code for that. So what on the earth President Joe Biden is going to do? I will say get out of the White House. I will start leading the USA, which I already started, right? I already started running USA and all the nations. That means it is a total slap on President Joe Biden. It went vain. All the inauguration, everything went vain. I'll say get out of the White House. The President Joe Biden should be happiest that I'm saying only get out of the White House, not get into the volcano in Hawaii, right? That's a difference. That's the difference, because this crime is deadliest enough to be signed of death penalty, kind of a deadliest mode of crime. So there is an innocent part identified for President Joe Biden. So I am asking, just get out of the White House now. Do not be president. Go enjoy your retirement life. I be the leader. I will fix everything. I know how to fix. I know how to fix on a softer level, on a design level. Everything I can fix. So yes, the crime is the deadliest because Pope Francis says divorce is a sin and it is $1 trillion errors. And Pope Francis, the Satan, must pay financial compensation of $10,000 trillion to each divorced population, because he only says that divorce is a sin, right? When it is not sin. He should have created healthy environment. Then there would never be divorce. So why on the earth, when he created the hell, when he created all the hell variations, when he created all the toxic populations worldwide, then why on the earth he would even bother to say, oh, divorce is a sin at the first place? So, for that fatal negligence, Pope Francis should pay $10,000 trillion to each divorced population worldwide. And Pope Francis, the Antichrist, the Satan, says, when Christian marries non-Christians, then can divorce. Then it is never a sin. Can you see the tax mandate and the scandal in layer level? Is love a cheap? He never knows what is true love, right? That is what he is proving. In every single actions he provided to destroy the nation operations. What he says he already destroyed the total population human brains by saying that when Christians marries non-Christians, then can divorce. It is never a sin. On the other side, what he says, all divorced population are sinners. Can you see the contradictory how he provided? That is why he left a loop. See, foolish people always leave a loophole for the wisers to identify the root cause, right? He is a fool. He is never a Christian. He never knows what is Holy Bible. That is why he proved with all this kind of abusive hell creation actions. Tell me, for this deadliest crime, how President Joe Biden can even pay a penalty, medical compensation? Can he pay medical compensation for this crime alone? Then what more that Pope Francis did? So then he says, okay, when Christians marry Christians, then there is never divorce. Can you see how he provided illusion? Can you all see the difference? I am saying there is never divorce in true Christianity alone, versus how he created the cunning process model telling that when Christians marry Christians alone, then there is divorce. On what basis? What condition? Even if it is a toxic relationship, there is never divorce. Can you all see how and why the innocent population, for fear of survival mode, are in the toxic relationship and not filing for divorce, and worldwide people are economically, they are survival mode, right, and low income mode and poverty mode. They cannot afford divorce processing, costly. So they live in that toxic relationship. So can you see how we provided that Holocaust Nazism on a different levels without being so cruel and so brutal? He provided all kind of a hell variations, all in the name of God, right? All in the name of God only. He created all this kind of a deadliest crime. So that is another $10,000 trillion. Then Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, Lucifer says Christian populations after divorce must should never marry. See, on one side, he says widows can remarry. He says when Christians marrying non-Christians, they can divorce and they can remarry. On one side, he says divorce is a sin. On the other side, he stamps a logo that divorced population are sinners. Right? And then he says, even when on the wisest choice that people are taking on divorce processing, even after the divorce, they cannot remarry. He says that. So that is another $10,000 trillion, or I would say another $10,000 trillion errors. So baseline medical finance compensation is Pope Francis should pay to each divorced population worldwide is $4,000 trillion daily forever. Then Pope Francis says widows can remarry. It is okay. It is never a sin. It is another $10,000 trillion scandal. He only creates widows worldwide. That is another scandal. So total baseline penalty is what? $5,000 trillion Pope Francis should pay to each civilian times total population worldwide. $500,000 trillion. Okay, but when all the other things, they are the baseline exclusively created for divorced population, so should be paid to the divorced population. What more of the public awareness you all need to know? Extended version of widows is only divorce. Differences in widows processing, there is a death or either husbands or wife, they die. Versus in divorce, along with the emotional death process, total stage part, divorced population live in different paths when get divorced. Public awareness, what more of a public awareness you all need to know? Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, along only enforced and mandated polygamy. Along with the divorce process, he also created another crime called polygamy. Hell process to divorced population is another infinite $1 trillion errors that mandate many infinite $1 trillion. All that many infinite $1 trillion tax free must be paid as a medical compensation to each divorced population civilian, because Pope Francis the Satan only injected polygamy leprosy disease without any awareness of divorced population worldwide. Please tell me, what on the earth the President Joe Biden is going to say about the polygamy? Is he going to say to me he knows what is polygamy, or is he going to say to me he don't know what is polygamy? Being a lawyer, why he never fixed this broken? Absolutely, infinite $1 trillion means, can President Joe Biden pay infinite $1 trillion medical compensation to each divorced single civilians worldwide, because Pope Francis created polygamy in the divorced life cycle in a cunning way without any awareness of the population? Can President Joe Biden even pay? How shameless it is for a President Joe Biden to be a president as of today. How shame it is. That is infinite shame. National leaders worldwide, they are not saying a word because they know that I am there and I will take care. Republicans also knows that they know that I only can slap President Joe Biden and ask him to get out of the White House. That is why they are, each and every Republican will be only silent. They cannot talk. They just cannot talk a word. Then family justice laws, as in part A civil justice family law and part B criminal law justice is broken in pieces, and that broken pieces is enforced family law services is another $1 trillion worth of errors. And for past 500 years, United States of America provided wrongful family law services. How the USA is going to compensate those errors, provide with medical compensation with trillions of dollars to the entire divorced population in United States of America and worldwide. Worldwide, this scandal has been provided, enforced by Pope Francis. Right? Don't you all think that Pope Francis should be only fried in ashes in volcano in Hawaii for whatever Holocaust Nazism he created for innocent population? As of today, handcuffed USA nation should be only sealed and shut down immediately, forever, because USA government provided and even providing as of today wrongful family law services. It's an absolute crucifixion, deadliest crime. Deadliest crime to provide a wrongful family law services. And asking civilians to pay for divorce law fees, it's another $1 trillion scandal crime. I proved, it is another proof why Pope Francis, Queen of England, is the deadliest wild endangered species. So king of disability is what? King of disability is only enforced to fellow mankind in earth is always only divorcial, because it is an emotional torture. So, divorce process is $1,000 trillion errors, and divorce spousal animally support process is another $1,000 trillion, and child support process is another $1,000 trillion error, and child custody and placement is also another $1,000 trillion error, and property and asset division process in divorce process is also another $1,000 trillion errors. Then biological mom separated from children always on divorce process is another $1,000 trillion errors. And emotional wastage and feelings wastage and lifetime scars left to be mocked and bullied by educated foolish fellow mankind is another $1,000 trillion mandated. And mandate false prosecution, false shame, false guilt to fellow mankind and enforce poverty and enforce exponential brain nerves damages is another $1,000 trillion enforced error. So what is the baseline finance compensation USA should use? Baseline finance compensation is $8,000 trillion should be paid by Pope Francis the Satan absolute monarchs to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide. For Pope Francis created domestic violence, divorce hell for fellow mankind to destroy human brain nerves with fatal negligence. Who is Pope Francis on the earth? I never asked for Pope Francis. Human population never asked for Pope Francis. Then who gave authority for USA to even have absolute monarch organization, Jesuit organization? Who gave us that authority? Just seal and shut it down for national endangerment. And mandate abusive parents. It is Pope Francis only mandated abusive patients worldwide. As in abusive in-laws, abusive friends, abusive relatives, abusive colleagues, right? And abusive husbands, abusive wives, abusive close family friends, then backstabbers, right? And it's another $1 trillion errors. And errors must be multiplied with 5,000 times $5,000, $500,000, $500,000 trillion times each abusive mother-in-laws, foolish leprosy patients times total leprosy abusive mother-in-laws and abusive patients and then father-in-laws, abusive father-in-laws, then multiply with each abusive son-in-laws, then multiply that with total abusive daughter-in-laws population, then multiply with abusive sister-in-laws population and brother-in-laws population, co-brothers population, close friend, family, friends population means, imagine the $1,000, $1 trillion crime getting accumulated. That many $1,000 trillion Pope Francis should pay to entire human kingdom for. Pope Francis only created divorce. Nobody created divorce on the earth. No. It is Pope Francis created divorce and he should pay for it. And President Joe Biden, can he pay for it? Can he pay infinite $1 trillion for Pope Francis created divorce? What is the best Joe Biden can do at this point of time? Just resign and get out of the White House immediately. Just allow me to be the interim leader. It's as simple as that. So, what is more public awareness and birthrights you all need to know? When Pope Francis is God of USA, Queen of England is God of USA, there must never be divorce word in any education curriculum. And nation must never have divorce family laws at the first place. A nation having at least one divorced civilian, that nation is disqualified to be nation enough to be sealed and shut down forever. And human negligence and holy marriage endangerment nation. And President Joe Biden found guilty in all counts of crime of Pope Francis, the Satan, should resign now. So why not even one educated man and one educated woman in the entire human kingdom never knows there must never be divorce in human kingdom as of January 2021. Okay, then what more is the public awareness? In true Christianity alone, there is never divorce. And I will keep explaining about that later, not now. And it is because always wisest marries wisest heaven process, where in civilians married in holy marriage law covenant always be happy, will always have peace that passes understanding, and civilians will be swimming and floating only in heaven mode, always, until coffin mode, forever. Even when taking shelter in coffin mode, they will be in the happiest mode. And it is only provided always by true friends forever. And that is why mandated prerequisite in holy marriage law to be in heaven always is, mandated in true Christianity alone is, civilians should marry only a true friend. True friends only should get married, because they only never knows how to hurt fellow mankind. A true friend never knows to hurt fellow mankind. True friend only knows to display only true, clean, virgin, innocent love. Otherwise, they must never marry. Why even not to waste that time in getting trained to be a fake love mode, wearing a mask of that fake love mode, and getting married, then torturing the married people, and then in the hell mode, right? And then why even have to one fine day, enough is enough mode, and get to be in divorced, and then emotional wastage, all this wastage is to be provided. Don't you all think that all this divorce could have been prevented with just one healthy step by humans getting married to the correct and rightful humans, and getting married always as a true friends forever? That is how it should be. When true friends are getting married in holy marriage covenant in true Christianity process alone, they can do wonders, right? They can create a nation in love. They can build a nation in love. Right? Each holy marriage is a government after all. Do you know that? That is why it is not a joke. Holy marriage mandate is never a joke. It is because when a man and a woman is getting into the holy marriage covenant, they are building a government actually. In true Christianity alone, holy marriage is the law mandate is a government. That is why each government in each nation should be provided in a holy process way. It is holy. Each government of each nation is a holy. Okay? So, I can only bail out at fault found guilty. USA nobody can. As of January 2021, USA nation should not have any divorce programs or any kind of any variations of that programs. So, who in the earth is USA nation to even dare to provide divorce program, which is classified as a satanic process model? Can you all see why President Joe Biden has to get out of the White House immediately? I hope you all can. We all. I hope you all can understand my concerns of the crime, and we all can be in the same page. But yes, there is that helpless mode, right? But we all need to pray to God to give the wisdom for the President Joe Biden to resign immediately, abruptly. It is an honor for him actually because he is providing a pathway for a nation to be rebuilt from the scratch in a healthy way, right? Oh yes, Satan, Queen Elizabeth, Pope Francis, and faces of Pope Francis cannot escape death penalty in volcano in Hawaii. And I will first ask Pope Francis to just get out in volcano in Hawaii immediately. Next second, only without any delay. Okay, and I will stop with this session and I will continue with the one or two more sessions because it is a very long civil justice process, because I have to go in detail, right? Only when population gets educated what exactly is divorce and why the disability of divorce is a severity highest in the entire disability life cycle model, and why nation should provide all the benefits free. Everything should be free, whether it is grocery, whether it is gasoline, whether it is car, whether it is vehicle, whether it is furniture, whether it is housing, everything should be free. But then it is not. Why? On top of that, when they are not when poverty is enforced for diverse population, tax is also enforced. Can you all imagine when they cannot pay for the bills, how on the earth they can even pay tax? So the scandal is on everywhere. Walmart is crashed now. Walmart, Costco, Citibank, you name any banks, right? US bank cards and Umbrella and all the other, and telecommunications, AT&T, then insurance, every single system is crashed right now, as of now. Why? Because of one logic error. I don't know. Pope Francis will be in the volcano any second. I become Vatican leader, can step in and boom, 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 boom. I can fix all the broken services. I can say I can direct and guide everybody. I can say DC on what they should do. How to provide welfare services, I can guide. And I can sit and guide what the Department of Workforce should do. So anyways, I will stop with this session. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now. And I will continue with more proofs and continue with the very long civil justice process. And be aware that I am a pro se and I am a civil lawyer and I am providing all civil justices according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So nobody can ask me any questions. Okay, and yes, President Joe Biden should resign immediately for healthy humanity process. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye.